And what about this? You look the upstairs of two birds here. Who knows that? Maybe the mom and her daughter, but they cover with the balloon and Cyprus symbol as well. That could be symbols of life, and they are flying, and it could be a symbol of freedom as well. It's simply this painting told that if you want to the woman that have a freedom, you must learn them when they are the little girl, and the best person that could teach the girls it could be their mother and daughter could fly together.